Everyone, so it's Friday, so I basically skipped my vlog from Sunday and it's Friday. It's 9:52. I meant to be at the train station for 10 o'clock, but I just left my house and yeah, we're basically doing something exciting. I was meant to do my makeup, but I was struggling to find clothes and I still don't like what I'm wearing. But yeah, my hair's a mess and I'm going with my dad. Did you know that your bag is a representation of how your life is going? Of how your life is going. So look at my bag. A mess. A mess. A hot mess. But it's fine. I'm gonna try to sort it out when I get on the train, and I'm gonna try to do my makeup. My bag's actually messy because I've got makeup. Oh, I thought you took the wrong turn in because I've got makeup in there. But yeah. And I ripped out my eyelashes.
Got him.
Finally made it to the train station. Well, the first train station. I meant to go to 3. I'm so late. But so yeah, I don't normally get trains, as you can see. So we just got to Green Park, and now we're going to get the we're just walking to get the Victoria line. It's currently 10:09. 10:09 and our train is at 10:30. So today I'm actually going to view a property. I'll talk more about that when I get on the train. The doors at 10 minutes before the train leaves, which I think isn't fair, because you told everyone the train's leaving at 10:30, so why do we need to get there 10 minutes before? Just say the train's leaving at 10:20. Do you know what I mean? So I like to try both drinks. So there's Coke and Fanta. And I like to try both just to see which one I fancy. Today it's given Fanta. So I'm gonna have Fanta. And I'm just gonna do my makeup. So we're actually on this train for 2 hours. My nose is literally pissing me off. So I'm gonna spend that time doing my makeup. This is all my makeup stuff that I had in my bag. Yeah, I couldn't bring everything. So I'm vlogging. So I've got my brushes in here and then from products. This is the setting spray that I could bring because I was in a rush. And then just some lashes that I had in my house because I missed my lash appointment, so I'm probably just gonna stack these and then yeah, everyone's just gonna have to ignore my lace. She baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friends. So I'm just looking for some medicine to get because yeah, I just don't like the way I'm feeling. But these prices are extortionate.
Oh no, I don't know what is it.
Oh,
Looks like chef
I think
actually.
I'll get liquid. I think I'll get this, and maybe this. Sorry.
It's alright.
And I'm gonna get a water. Please. £2.19 for water. Let me get one from the back, actually. So I feel to get a smoothie. These prices are just pissing me off. This is the price for a big one. Yeah.
That's lovely, thank you.
£15.16, love. Do you want a bag?
No, thank you. But how much is this?
£5.29.
This was £15. £15. What?
Back door's open.
Thank you.
You see the link there, so.
Thing about buy the ugliest house on the street. I don't want that. I want the newest, shiniest house. But my dad said, no, this house is not it, so I'm not going inside. I'm not going inside. They're still inside, but it's just not doing it for me. So, yeah, and it stinks in there. To view another house. This one's just getting done up, like with all the new stuff.
Probably only about 4 weeks' work at the most. It's just they're all gone off on other jobs, and it hasn't been prioritised. It's been left. But if someone came in and said that they were wanting to do something,
Yeah.
the plasterers, there's probably about 3 days worth of plastering, a couple of days to fit the kitchen, a couple of days. There's nothing. You know what I mean? It looks worse than it is. His plastering changes. So if someone wanted a white kitchen, a grey kitchen, whatever it is, the kitchen can go and do. And same with the carpets. I would normally.
This is the kitchen, very much not done.
You see, when I've spent, it's quite a nice.
When you lot are watching this, you won't know if it's morning, but it is morning, and it is 6:40 in the morning. We are currently on our way to the train station, and we're running late. we were meant to leave. I can't speak English. We were meant to leave our house at 6 in the morning, so we're 40 minutes late. Hopefully we make it, because we've actually got another train to catch in about 35 minutes. Right now we are at the train station and we're running late. I'm with my mum and dad. Say hi. So today we are going to view the house that they've been renovating for basically the whole year. So we're just going to check if everything's done and if we like it. And yeah, I'm so excited. Guys, I haven't even slept. I haven't slept, literally. But I don't feel like I haven't slept, but I know it's gonna hit me. But yeah. It's 6 in the morning, 6:40, and my mum wants to be me so bad. I done my hair yesterday. I put on a curly wig this morning. She put on a curly wig. So we made it. We made it to the station early. Our train's leaving in 6 minutes. I left my parents at the back. They're walking too slow. If they miss it, I don't know. But I am walking to the platform. Hold on. What's it giving? Hey guys. Actually, let me start that again. Look, even look at the eyelash. Hey everyone. So he's been on the train for like the past 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And I'm so tired. My makeup's... Personally, I feel like my makeup's gone shiny. And I want to take it off. And I'm just so tired. Literally. And the people next to us went shy. It's literally 10 in the morning. Everyone's sitting down minding their business. And my mum is taking pictures. Like she's the main character. Wait for the flash.
Yeah. I've got to get some.
Same pose.
I have the same one. Take the notice of that. Yeah. Which can't have them must be tired. I know it begins with a C. I have one at dinner time, then comes
All we've got to do is carpets. We'll go upstairs and have a look at the all the bathroom and things. We've just got the back. Did you say then you want that bit of flooring?
Yeah, and I've checked the other room as well. I think that one needs the same thing as well. So before they lay the carpet,
they're
they
doing
need
the
to
flooring.
fix. Yeah.
Flooring fixed. Hob. Good quality worktops.
Hey guys, so we've just arrived in Manchester. Ew. We just arrived in Manchester. This is my cute dress that I'm wearing. Guys, we've just decided to come out to play. Come out to go somewhere because it's my boyfriend's birthday in like 3 days or 2 days. So we decided to come somewhere quickly just while we're here. So we're just in the shopping centre. It is 11 in the morning and today we are going to view, why am I speaking so robotic? Today we're going to view the house to see if it's finished and just see what the update is, because I'm meant to be picking up the keys tomorrow. But before we do that, we're gonna go visit the lawyer and then we're gonna make our way to the house. But
we've got a big crease down there. They're on the way. And then I'll get back and then get it all fitted. Not just yesterday.
thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, I think